Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Hyundai in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this i30 Style. This car comes with a lovely specification. You've got satellite navigation along with rear parking aids with a rear colour camera. You've also got Bluetooth for your mobile phone along with air conditioning and many more features. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a good day.